Hey guys, Tech Timmy here again. Super excited today. Going to be unboxing my very first robot vacuum. I went with the eufy 15C Max. Amazon was having a sale that was almost 30% off, so I said I jumped at the chance. And I figured what better place to film an unboxing video for a robot vacuum than from the floor of my brand new carpet here. So yeah, the box itself is a little surprising. I was expecting it to be black, not white. For some reason, I don't know. I'm hoping that the vacuum inside it, they do have a white version of this one. I'm hoping that I got the black one for sure. If not, it's going back. But the box is white, which is interesting. Really not a lot of information on the box itself. In fact, I was looking for one of those little badges where you can just, take a picture of use your phone and then automatically download the app, but it does not have that. It just says here on the side, go to the app store and do it manually. So I'm not very impressed with that, but all told, fine. And then the technical support information is on the back of the box, may or may not be on the documentation inside. So just something to keep in mind. But we'll open it up and take a look. Very excited to have a robot vacuum. So cool. So this will be the first of 3 videos we'll get out of the box in this video. Next one, I will do a short video on how to configure it using the app. And then third video will be a demo. I'll do a deep dive demo for you guys. But let's see what it looks like. Okay, a little snug in the box here, so I'm not going very gentle, but I'm going to suggest that you go gentle. And so this is essentially the box contents. The rest of the box is empty, as you can see there. I'm guessing this round piece of styrofoam is what is covering the vacuum. You can tell I'm pretty excited, so I feel like a little kid at Christmas right now. Top of the box, we have our Welcome to Hands-Free Cleaning manual. Yay, I'm all about hands-free cleaning. So this is the documentation here. So we have looks like a little quick start guide or an intro sheet. And then we have a quick start guide, cool. Instructions look fairly easy. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, neat. So it looks like we essentially just need to set up the charging station, and we'll see what else we have to do. And then we have a full-blown owner's manual, nice. I'm a technical writer by trade, so definitely a fan of full-blown documentation. And this actually looks really well done, wow. Cool. And it does have a little guide to tell us what's in the box, so I'm going to set this aside for now, so I can actually use their terminology as we look at the pieces here. And then and that's it for documentation essentially. So set all of this aside for a bit. And then cool piece of styrofoam covering the vacuum, and there it is. And we did get the black one, so how cool is that? It's actually a little bit smaller than I was expecting. Demos that I saw online made this look larger, and I think that's a great thing. I love the smaller size. I'm glad that it's not any bigger than this. It's so cool. And it has definitely has some heft to it. This thing weighs at least 5 pounds, if not more. Let's get it out of the box here. Oh yeah, check this out. Okay, so there it is. I have a little stick 'em here. Switch on before use, so we'll have to remember to do that. And a couple little tags on the side to take off. We'll do that in a second. And then Boost IQ technology, so cool. Well, that's interesting. So it looks like there's something, I don't know if that's meant to be like that or what, but we will take a look for sure. Yeah, it looks like it is. So this is where the brush will spin. And I know that there are, I want to call them feelers, but I think there's little wire type doohickeys that stick either on here or, oh no, brush. So we will get into the directions and take a look at that. Maybe we can get it set up for you guys. And here they are. This is what I was just referring to. These little cool little feet. I'm sure that's not their technical term. Side brushes. How about that? So a couple side brushes. I'm gonna just set them on top of the vacuum for now. We have here organized wires. So this is just a it looks like a bracket, so you can organize your wires and power cords that are on the floor to clear the way for the vacuum. So that's convenient that they actually include these in the box for you. Nice little value add there. They do also include 2 AAA alkaline batteries. They don't look like Energizer, but I'm sure they'll do the job just fine. Presumably these are for a remote control, although I'm not really sure. Maybe they go in the vacuum itself. And then we have a cleaning tool. That's what that guy is. So yeah, it looks like some of the bristles are a little frayed, but this is our cleaning tool. And then we have another side brush. So it looks like there are 3 side brushes. I wonder if there's an extra one. Oh no, it looks like there are 4. Okay, so well, let's see where we need to stick those on in a minute. And then this is the charging base, obviously. Plastic for you to give you a better look at this. So charging base right here, sits on the floor like so. Vacuum, whoop, right in there. Can't wait to see that. All right, so there's that. Charging base we're gonna stick over here for now. And this is a filter. So presumably we need to get the filter installed in the vacuum before we can use it. And then obviously the power cord for the charger, the charging base. And the remote control. I will probably be using my Echo device, so who shall not be named, to run the vacuum, so it does work with both Alexa and Google Assistant. That's really cool. Oh, Alexa, hush. Sorry about that. I meant to not say her name, but I blurted it out anyway, didn't I? So, very cool. I think in terms of installation, let's see. I did see that there was a quick start guide. I think I left that in the envelope here. I do want to minimum get the feet on for you guys, or the side brushes. We're gonna have to keep calling them that. And maybe take off some of this other packaging. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So this guy just pulls out right here, so it's a little bumper, very nice, and that was to protect the unit in transit. And there's a second bumper here. Just pull the tab to pull it off, and then switch on before use. Remove sticker before use, of course. And then so there's the on button. I see. I'll show you guys that in a second. So we're going to remove the sticker, and the sticker really is just to highlight where that on button is. So that's pretty important, I guess. You got to turn it on before you use it, right? Right. Okay. And then so the on button is the red button right there. See it? So that I'm going to do right now, and that's protected with looks like a piece of rubber that stays on. So I almost thought to oh, it's interesting that it actually beeped already. So this may be ready to go, or at least ready to charge up. So it does beep when you turn it on for the first time, fresh out of the box without installing any batteries or anything. So I'm going to switch that off for now, at least until we start using it. And then I just want to go back to the quick start guide and see if we can't get those side brushes on. So it looks like they are just going to go, they just clip right on, right there. And you do have to give it a good press to get them down all the way. And presumably, yeah, so this is going to spin around as the vacuum operates. This guy here. Side brush right. Okay. There we go, and it clicks in place. And so it looks like there are just the two side brushes, which is what I was expecting. So it's nice that they do package these extras in. And I think what I'll do next is, I won't bore you by installing the filter. I'm sure we can figure that out. You can figure that out on your own. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just end the video here. We've got the feet. We've got our charging station, which I will actually, why don't we just plug that in right now and get it ready to go. Nice, and so I certainly don't need this much cord to plug this into the wall. So I think I will go ahead and put that tie back on, but they do give you a nice lengthy cord, which is awesome. And then, yeah, so there you have it. So the eufy 15C Max out of the box and ready to be charged up for use. As I said earlier, next video I will do a configuration video, a quick configuration video of the app, the eufy app, and then I'll also do a subsequent video that has a full demo of this, using the app and she who shall not be named, and maybe I'll even spill some Cheerios on the floor so we can see how well this works. Anyhow, super excited if you can't tell. I'm gonna go and get this charged up and create a couple more videos for you guys. If you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind just giving me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I do I'm gonna be doing lots of videos on all manner of smart home technology. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.